Losing the key to your wheel locks can be frustrating, especially when you need to remove a tire. The good news is, you can still remove them without the original key. Here are some easy and safe methods to get the job done. To remove a wheel lock without the key, you can use a 12-point socket that fits tightly over the lock nut. First, place the socket onto the lock nut. If it does not go on easily, hold it steady with one hand. Then, gently tap it with a hammer until the socket grips the lock nut firmly. Once it is securely in place, use a wrench or breaker bar to turn and loosen it. It may take a few tries to get it loose. The lock nut should come off together with the socket. After removing the lock nut, you will need to get it out of the socket, so you can reuse the socket for the other wheels. To do this, take a slightly larger socket. Then, drop the used socket with the lock nut stuck in it into the larger one. Then, insert a bolt or metal rod that fits inside and tap it with a hammer. Keep tapping until the lock nut separates from the socket. Repeat this same process for each wheel lock. This method is simple, cost-effective, and works well for removing stuck lock nuts. Another method is to use an adjustable wrench. If the wrench doesn't fit the lock nut properly, you can grind down two opposite sides of the lock nut. Then, place the wrench over the nut and apply torque to turn and loosen it. This method makes it easier to remove the lock nut without the original key. A wheel lock removal kit is a special tool set designed to grip and remove locking lug nuts without the original key. The Vexplo wheel lock key set helps you remove stuck or broken wheel locks easily. It works with many different types of lug nuts for cars, trucks, and trailers. To use the Vexplo wheel lock key set, first select the socket that fits your wheel lock. Place the socket firmly over the lock nut, then use a wrench or breaker bar to turn the socket and loosen the lock nut. Once it is loose, remove both the wheel lock and the socket. Repeat the process for any other locked wheels as needed. If you cannot remove the wheel locks yourself, do not worry. Going to a tire or auto shop is the safest and easiest option. They will get the job done quickly and safely. It is a stress-free way to solve the problem without needing special tools.